Welcome to presentation on one of the leading pharma companies of the country, Torrent Pharma. Promoter holding in excess of 70%. In aggregate, FIIs, MF and DIIs stick on to their total holding and promoters don't have any pledge of shares. This makes Torrent a very strong corporate. From a short-term standpoint, turnover is on the fall and price also going with the turnover, and the size of orders is also not supporting any upward movement, and on the whole it is bearish, although there is a delivery percentage improvement suggesting investor interest. The performance of Torrent with respect to pharma index and also other peers is at the bottom of the pile up. Against 87% of pharma index, it is at a return of 27%. And such underperformance definitely suggests some serious concerns. On a daily chart, current market price below all averages, long-term and short-term. Stochastic RSI in the oversold zone. MACD pointing downwards, negative. Also OBV going in the same direction. Overall, bearish sentiments. Channel formation ever since September 2020 with price movement downwards suggests there is a descending channel directing the price towards the lower end of the market. The share is under pressure of the descending channel and therefore it is at 34.7% retracement, and for it to cross over 38.2, 50 and 61.8 in the current circumstances appears difficult and remote. The starting point for understanding the descending channel of Torrent share price could be revenue from India operations. Indian sales between 1718 and 1819 grew by 38% and it came down to 9% in 1920, and for the last 3 quarters on a TTM basis the growth is 4%. India sales dwindling and the growth is quite meager and insignificant, and in this background we have to study the total sales of Torrent including its exports. This is a chart of great revelation which talks of sales composition from 2017-18 up to 2020-21. Indian sales, as we will see, from 39.5% in 17-18, it has put on 6%, taking it to 45.6, plus US sales moved from 18.5 to 17.2, minus 1%. Germany, which was at 11.9%, moving to 10.8, say another minus 1%. And the greatest of the falls is Brazil from 14.5 to 9.5, means almost 5% fall. US, Germany and Brazil have had shrinkage in the exports from India, and that has given a ballooning effect to the Indian sales. The real reason behind Torrent not doing well in the share market has to be found in what caused the exports to shrink in these 3 countries. Exports to USA started falling very much after June 2019, and this was immediately after US FDA inspection of 3 facilities, 2 in India and 1 in US, wherein warning letters were issued. Subsequent to the warning letter, these 3 facilities which were having substantial supply to US have been barred from new applications, new products and new approvals. The free fall in revenue continues. After almost 20 months of the visit, the company, having filed the compliances, is awaiting US FDA to visit the plants and give its considered view on either closure or further remedial measures. The company has no clue when the date will come, and till such time the damage to Torrent's revenue and profitability will continue. Germany is again an issue of systemic failure and SOP compliances, and this has cost the company very dear. Last year 14% fall, this year first quarter also there is a fall, but the company says the issues are sorted out and the SOPs are in place. Normalcy is returning as evident in the month of December. From Brazil on Torrent's profitability and revenue was quite substantial, but incidentally the hit came from the BRL USD depreciation and also the contraction in the GDP of Brazil. Although there is a constant currency growth, because of the exchange difference, Torrent has been losing. Once normalcy is restored, company can expect better returns from Brazil. These movements, depending on the quarterly results, has been a regular feature with Torrent. The prices have fallen after every quarter in October, then in January and February, and in April, May also. The fears of poor performance figures is putting the normalized prices in the range of 120 to 127, fitting into the descending channel. Investors always look for synergy and correlation between revenue growth and profit growth. Surprisingly, in case of Torrent, there has been a disconnect between the two, and more particularly in a difficult period, revenue and profit have sailed far apart, and even the PBT percentage. In good times, it was around 15%, and in an year of difficulties, it is at 17.9%. Possibly, cost control and efficiency improvement must have fetched the profits. Inspection, warning letter, red flag are a part of business hazard. But after 20 months of inspection, if the closure is pending, it will tell heavily on the company's finances in terms of no new approvals, loss of sales, idle capacity, no new launches, loss of competitive advantage. And over and above this, there will be heavy costs of rectification based on the implementation of suggestion of FDA, and that will affect both top line and bottom line in the times to come. And what is required is a self-imposed commitment to have strict compliance on SOPs, good manufacturing practices, and an online updation of process improvement. Torrent is a great success story supported by promoters with sizable holdings. Unfortunately, the company has underperformed to Nifty 50, Nifty Pharma, and also its peers. The descending channel suggests continuation of bearish trend for some more time to come. Revenues have stagnated, exports have crashed, partly because of the company, partly because of conditions beyond its control. But lapses on SOPs and GMPs are self-inflicted injuries. The company has lost out on its growth plan timelines. Hopefully, with timely closure of the ongoing warning letters, the company will be back on track earlier than expected. Hope you liked the presentation. You can access similar resourceful videos on stock learning at this info card. We look forward to your likes, shares, and comments. If you are visiting for the first time, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely intimation on resourceful videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much for your interest, time, and support. A disclaimer: the purpose of this video is information, education, and awareness only. This doesn't constitute a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. Please obtain competent professional advice as necessary.